Hi, my name is Rodrigo. I work here at Toyota Orange, and I wanted to go ahead and present to you guys a couple features on the new Toyota Sienna. Okay, one of the best features for this family car is the automatic doors back here. They do open with just your foot, so you can have hands-free access. As long as the key is in your pocket, that's all good to go. All you have to do is just click right underneath here. That unlocks the vehicle and it opens the door for you. There is a little pattern down there so you know where to hit it. As you can see, it is very spacious inside, and it does have passenger seating for up to 8 people. The other way to close the door, you can either pull on the handle, a button inside, or push a button right out here. When you come out back here, the rear tailgate is also power adjustable. So all you have to do is just come right behind here, do a little quick wave underneath it. It's going to be right on the right hand side of the logo, okay? And then back here you can also see how it is very spacious. We do have a nice size trunk here, space for the entire family, and very comfortable space, okay? The nice thing about this tailgate also is that it is height adjustable. So you have a garage that's a little bit lower, you can lower this, press the button, hold it for 2 or 3 seconds, you hear that beep, and it stays in that position for the rest of the time. To close the tailgate, you can also do the foot activated or just hit the button right up here. It'll go ahead and close it down for you. Okay? If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out here at Toyota Orange.